Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we are here to guide you on the application Amazon Shopping, where we will be learning how to contact the sellers on your Amazon order. First thing first, we need to open the Amazon Shopping application. And here's the thing, the procedure is the same for both iOS and Android phone. So what you need to do here is, first thing, you may go to your account icon here in the second option, and in the very first option you see your orders. Select there. Since you can see I have not placed any order, but in your context, if you want to contact the dealer, the product of the dealer that you want to contact, and once you go there, select product page, tap in sold by, and here you have an option of ask the question. And once you ask the question, here's the thing, you may have to write an email, but the response does not come in your email address. Like, the response that you get will not be there on your Google Mail over here. Okay, where your response will be is, once we go back to Amazon Shopping, we can go back to the same icon in the very beginning and select the second option, that is your account. Once we tap in here, scroll down and go to message center, in which select the first option, your message. Once you select here, you see all messages. It can be anything that is related to your Amazon Shopping account, or select the second option, that is buyer seller messages. So the message that you send to the buyer, that you send to the seller, that person will be replying within 2 to 3 days over here. The inbox will be found over here. So that is how you contact to the sellers of the Amazon Shopping. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these content, and comment down below if you have any queries regarding it. Thank you so much for watching.